Top 10 most expensive motorcycles in the world, 2025. These high-end motorcycles combine luxury, speed, and cutting-edge engineering, making them the ultimate dream machines. 1. Neiman Marcus, limited edition, fighter, $7 million. A futuristic beast with a carbon fiber body and an exclusive one-of-a-kind design. 2. 1949 E90 AJS Porcupine, $7 million. A rare collector's gem, this vintage bike holds historic value in the racing world. 3. ECOS ES1 Spirit, $3.6 million. A hyperbike with F1-inspired technology, ultra-lightweight, and blistering speed. 4. Hildebrand and Wolfmuller, $3.5 million, the first production motorcycle ever made, now a priceless antique. 5. BMS Nemesis, $3 million. This gold-plated air suspension bike is both an engineering marvel and a work of art. 6. Harley Davidson Cosmic Starship, $1.5 million. A hand-painted masterpiece, this Harley is both a bike and an art collectible. 7. Dodge Tomahawk V10 Superbike, $550,000. A crazy four-wheeled motorcycle powered by a Dodge Viper V10 engine. 8. Ducati Desmosedici D16RR NCR M16, $232,500. A carbon fiber MotoGP-inspired Ducati, ultra-lightweight with insane performance. 9. Ducati Testa Stretta NCR Macchia Nera Concept, $225,000. A limited edition, exquisite titanium-built Ducati for the elite. 10. ECOS FE Ti-X Titanium Series, $300,000. The pinnacle of motorcycle luxury, this titanium beauty seamlessly blends performance and elegance for the discerning rider. Like, share, and subscribe.